Hi and welcome to day 3 of the Slow Stitch Advent Calendar Challenge. So here we've got envelope number 3 and let's have a look and see what's inside. So, okay, so that's empty. Okay, so this is some yarn, a lovely piece of yarn, and I think this actually was from the Outer Hebrides last year, and it's hand dyed and it's gorgeous colours, and it's an interesting one because it's got quite a bit of variegated colour but also textures as well, so it's lovely to crochet with. I made a cowl from this. Hold it a bit closer so you can see. But what I'm going to be doing with this, because it's such a small bit, I could put it into some sort of crochet project, but actually what I really love to do is couch. And couching is where you stitch a piece of yarn or anything really, anything that you can fit onto a piece of fabric, and just do simple little running stitch, over stitches rather than running stitches. So you're coming up one side, going down the other, and stitching that onto fabric, and you can do all sorts of interesting things with it. If I can find the end. Where's the end gone? Right, here's the end. So if I look at this end here, what you can do with this is, it's a bit harder to do without the fabric, but I'll go with it. You can kind of shape it. You can do sort of twirly designs. That'll be easier on this sort of thing. So you can see you can create, it's really not happy, creating little curves. You can turn that into sort of a swirl. I'm not going to even attempt to try and do this on this surface, it's too slippy, but you can create like a twirl pattern and just keep going round and round and round. And I've done that with really unusual thicker yarns. But this is nice because it's got different colourways. It'll look interesting particularly with the denim. I think that'll work quite well with the denim, and even that suiting fabric. I think that'll lift those pieces of fabric. So that's today's find, a little pile of yarn which I'm going to use to do some couching. So I'll look forward to seeing what comes tomorrow. That's all for now. Bye.